Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a playable zoo immediately. Choose sandbox for freedom or career to follow objectives. Place your guest entrance and staff hut first so staff can reach exhibits. This prevents early welfare issues. Once done, set a working budget and adjust keeper, vet, and maintenance wages so hires arrive. You should also claim an area for your first exhibit, reserving space for barriers and visitor paths. This speeds construction and avoids backtracking later. Now build the exhibit with purpose. Shape terrain and sightlines so animals use space and guests can view behaviors. Place enrichment and shelters to boost welfare scores. These reduce sickness and breeding delays. Once the habitat is complete, add biosecurity, separate keeper access, double gates, and solid fencing to prevent escapes and disease spread. Buy animals that match the biome and social needs. Make sure to quarantine new arrivals and set correct group sizes so breeding and welfare remain stable. Finish by opening the zoo and watching the first guests and animal reactions closely. You should monitor welfare panels and camera feeds, adjust ticket and shop prices, and deploy staff to hot spots. Revenue funds research. Invest research into vet items and enrichment to raise welfare and breeding success. If something goes wrong, pause the game, check animal needs and pathing, then correct fencing or staff coverage. This quick intervention prevents spirals and keeps your zoo stable and profitable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.